pitfalls to avoid so that you can close on time. I'm Caroline Gow in the Baird and Warner Glenbrook office. There are 3 things that we do from the time of the contract until the closing to help us close on time, because there are delays and there are things that we can do to mitigate that so that you can close right when you need to without any delays. The first thing is the PLAT of survey. So typically the seller's attorney's office orders this right before closing, and it's given to the buyer at time of closing. The buyer's attorney goes over it, and we had so many rains this spring that there was a delay. So the seller's attorney called and said, I'm having trouble getting the survey done. So I called some other attorneys that I work with, and we got a bunch of names. I called 8 different places, and we got a survey, and we helped close on time. I get paid to solve problems. The second thing is the appraisal. So when a buyer needs a loan, part of the loan approval process is for the buyer to have an appraisal done on that property. And the appraiser comes out and makes sure that the property matches the contract value. And there are things that we can do to be proactive about meeting the appraiser. The first thing is we give them some relevant comparables so that they're looking in the school district, within the same proximity, same square footage, and things that match, because I know the hyperlocal market and the appraiser might be coming from far away. So we help them that way. Also, we give them the features and the upgrades that the seller has done, and a PLAT survey if it's available, and we just answer questions and basically make sure that the information that they have on the report is accurate. The third thing is that we do a final walkthrough right before closing. So typically, once the closing date and time has been set, we will do the closing walkthrough right before or the night before. Typically, when we go to the final walkthrough, the property is supposed to be broom clean. It doesn't need to be professionally cleaned, but things on the inside and the outside and the garbage needs to be out. So if we go to the walkthrough and there's items left in the crawl space or big pieces that we aren't able to just toss out, I call Nick from Junk Remedy and I send him pictures of the items that need to be taken out. And typically he can get some crews there that same day. So we get authorization from the seller and access for the property, and we take care of it. These are just ways that we can help to keep the closing on time. We don't want to delay it for things like this, and that's how we can help. Subscribe to my YouTube channel at Caroline Gow. Every Tuesday we post new content of local businesses, renovation projects, and market updates to keep you in the know in Northbrook. Bye for now.